Very good morning, student. Today we are going to start with practice set 3.6. Here we have to learn about the factorization of polynomial. In the lower classes, you have learned about factorization. The first question, find the factors of the polynomials given below. First one is 2x square plus x minus 1. Now here we have to find out two factors whose sum is 1, that is the middle variable coefficient, and product should be 2, that is the 2 ones are 2. Okay, so we'll write 2x square as it is. Now there are two factors whose sum is 1 and whose product is 2, or we can say that it's minus 2. So these factors are 2 and minus 1. We'll split this here, 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1. Now we have to take common factors from this. Here we'll take 2x common in bracket x plus 1. Then here we'll take minus 1 common. Then here remains x plus 1. Now this will write down 2x minus 1 and this bracket 1, that is x plus 1. Okay, in this way we get factors for the given polynomial. Just go through it, or if you want you can write down in your notebook. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Now we'll move towards second example of same question, that is 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Here we have to find out two factors for this is the sum should be 5 and its product 3 to the 6, or minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6. We'll write 2m square as it is. We'll split this term 5 and that is 6 ones are 6, 6 and minus 1, whose sum is 5 and whose product is minus 6. We'll write here plus 6m minus m minus 3. Now we'll take common factors from this term. Here we'll take 2m common. We'll write 2m into bracket. M remains here 3 minus 1 will write here m plus 3. Now we'll write bracket 2m minus 1 in this bracket 1 m plus 3. Okay, these are the factors of the given polynomial. Just to go through it. We'll move towards third example of 3.6, question 1, that is 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Now here sum will be 61 and product 12 into 77. Now we'll split these terms. This 12 and 77 will simplify. 4 3s are 12 and 11 sevens are 77. Now we'll multiply. 4 sevens are 28 and 11 threes are 33. Okay, if we add both the terms, we'll get 61. That is our sum. So we'll use 28 and 33 as the two factors. We'll write 12x square as it is. Then we'll split 61x into 28x plus 33x plus 77 as it is. Now we'll take common factors for this from these terms. Here we will take 4x common, then 3x remains, then here 7 plus here we'll take 11 common, then 3x plus 7 remains. I will write this bracket once, 3x plus 7 and 4x plus 11 in another. Okay, so these are the factors of given polynomial. Okay, we'll move towards next example of question number 1. Fourth example is 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Now here sum as minus 2 and product as sum is minus 2 and product is 3 ones are 3, that is minus 3. Okay, so here we have to find out factors whose sum is minus 2 and whose product is 3. We'll write down 3y square as it. Then factors for this are minus 3 and 1 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus, and minus 3 ones are minus. So we'll write down here 3y square minus 3y plus 1 means y minus 1 as it is. We'll take common factors from this. We'll take 3y common, y minus 1 plus 1 and y minus 1 remains as it is. We'll write y minus 1 bracket 1 and then this 3y plus 1 into another bracket. Okay? So these are the factors of given polynomial. We'll move towards next example, that is fifth one. Under root 3x square plus 4x plus under root 3. Now here sum of factors should be 4 and product under root 3 into under root 3, that is 3. Okay, so we'll take 3 ones are 3 plus 3 and plus 1. Its sum is 3 plus 1 is 1 becomes 4 and 3 ones are 3. We'll write under root 3x square as it is plus we'll split 4x into 3x plus x plus under root 3. Now here we'll take under root 3x common. We'll write here x plus here we'll split 3 into under root 3 and under root 3. Here we have taken under root 3x. So here under root 3 remains plus for this we'll write plus 1 and x plus under root 3. You write this bracket x plus under root 3 and second bracket under root 3x plus 1. Okay, so these are the factors of given polynomial. Please go through this. Now we'll move towards next example of question number 1. Sixth one, half x square minus 3x plus 4. Now here sum of factors should be minus 3 and product half into 4. That is 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. So product should be 2. So we'll take minus 2 and minus 1 as factors. Okay, minus 2 and minus 1 become minus 3 and minus 2 into minus 1 becomes 2. We'll write half x square as it is. We'll split 3x into minus 2x minus x plus 4 remains as it is. Now we'll take common factors from this. Here we'll take half x common, x remains. Then we split 2 into half into 4. Okay, so that half is here. So we'll write here 4. That is minus 4. Here minus 1, then x minus 4. Now we'll write this bracket 1, x minus 4, half x into, half x minus 1. Okay, so these are the factors of the given polynomial. Let's go through this. We'll move towards question number 2. of practice set 3.6. Factorize the following polynomials. Now here polynomials are written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We have to replace the bracket with any another alphabet, or we can say that variable. Question 2. Factorize the following polynomial. First one is x square minus x bracket square minus 8 x square minus x plus 12. Okay. Now here we'll replace this bracket with any another alphabet, that is variable. So we'll substitute x square minus x by m. You can use any variable a, y, other than x. We'll replace it by m now. So x square minus x bracket square becomes m square minus 8 x square minus x becomes m plus 12 remains as. Okay. Now here also we have to find out the factors whose sum is minus 8 and whose product is, here nothing is there means 1. So 12 ones are 12. So product should be 12. I will factorize this as minus 2 and minus 6. That is minus 2 and minus 6 becomes minus 8 and 2 6 are 12. So we'll write m square as it is. This we can split minus 8m into minus 2m minus 6m plus 12 as it is. Now again we have to take common factors from this. M is common here, m minus 2 minus, here we'll take 6 common, so m minus 2m. We'll write this bracket m minus 2 and in another bracket m minus 6. Now we'll resubstitute this with x square minus x. Earlier we have substituted m as x square minus x. Now we resubstitute x square minus x for m. So resubstitute for m. So here we'll write this bracket m minus 2 as x square minus x minus 2. And here m minus 6 becomes x square minus x minus 6. Now here again we can factorize this bracket. The first one we have to find out sum as 1 and product as, that is sum is minus 1 and product as minus 2. So we'll take here x square minus 2x plus 1, that is x minus 2, and x square minus x minus 6 becomes x square sum should be -1 and its product should be -6. That is x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now we'll take common here. Common factors will take, here we'll take x common, then x minus 2. Here we'll take plus 1, so x minus 2. Here we'll take x common, then x minus 3 remains, plus here we'll take 2, so that x minus 3 remains for this bracket. Now we'll write the factor, that is x minus 2, this bracket 1, then another bracket x plus 1, and next x minus 3 and x plus 2 into the another bracket. Okay, this we can write down as x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 2. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Just go through this. First of all, we have to replace the brackets by any alphabet that is variable. We have to factorize. Then we have to resubstitute the replaced bracket by that particular alphabet, and then again, if possible, we have to factorize. If not possible, then that will be our final answer. No need to factorize. But here we can factorize these brackets, so that we factorize it and we have got factors as. We'll move towards next one. Next example, question number 2. Second example is x minus 5 bracket square minus 5x minus 25 minus 24. This is given polynomial. Now here also we will substitute x minus 5 by m. So equation becomes m square minus, we'll take 5 common here, so that our bracket becomes x minus 5 5 is 5. So 5, x minus 5 becomes m minus 24 as it. Okay. Now again we have to find out two factors whose sum is -5 and product as -24. So it becomes, we take now factors as -8 and +3. That is -8 plus 3 becomes -5, and product of -8 and 3 is -24. We'll write m square as it is, -8m plus We split 5m into minus 8am plus 3m minus 24. Now we'll take factors here, common factors. We'll take m common here. So m minus 8 remains. Then here we'll take 3 common. So we can write m minus 8. We'll write this bracket again, m minus 8 and m plus 3 into the another bracket. Now we'll resubstitute x minus 5. Okay. For m. So it becomes x minus 5 minus 8 and x minus 5 plus 3. Now here we can simplify this. X minus 5 minus 8 becomes minus 13. Minus minus becomes plus. So we'll add 8 and 5 and here x minus 5 plus 3 becomes minus 2. Okay. So we have got factors for the given polynomial as x minus 13 and x minus 2. Now we'll move towards third example of question number 2. That is x square minus 6x square minus 8 into bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. Now here we'll take x square minus 6x as m. Substitute x square minus 6x as m. So we'll write x square minus 6x bracket square becomes m square minus 8 x square minus 6x m plus 8 minus 64. M square as it is minus will multiply this bracket with 8. So it becomes 8m minus 8 plus 8 becomes minus 64 minus 64. M square minus 8m minus 64 becomes minus 128. Okay, again here we have to find out two factors whose sum is minus 8 and whose product is minus 128. So we'll write m square as it is. Sum should be minus 8 and product minus 128. So here we'll take 16 8s are. So minus 16 plus 8 becomes minus 8 and minus 16 is the minus 128. So we'll split 8m into minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. We'll take common factors here. M is common, m minus 16 plus here we'll take 8 common, so m minus 16 remains. I'll write m minus 16 and m plus 8 into the another. Now here we'll put x square minus 6x for m. So resubstitute x square minus 6x for m. It becomes x square minus 6x minus 16 and here x square minus 6x plus 8. Now here we have to check whether we can factorize this bracket. We have to find out sum as minus 6 and product as minus 16. And here also minus 6 and plus 8. So we'll write x square as it is. We can take minus 8 and plus 2 as factors for 6x. 2x plus, sorry, minus 16. Next, x square as it is. For minus 6x product, sorry, sum and plus 8 product, will take 4x and minus 4 and minus 2 as factors. Okay. Now we'll take common from this and here too. X common, x minus 8 plus 2 x minus 8. Again for next, we'll take common x minus 4. Here we'll take minus 2 x minus 4. We'll write this x minus 8, then into the another bracket x plus 2. Here also x minus 4 will write 1 and into another bracket x minus 2. Now we have got these factors for the given polynomial. Okay, this is our final answer of factors of the given polynomial. Just go through this. Very easy it is, you know factorization. You have learned in your lower classes. The same way you have to factorize polynomial. We'll take Next example, that is fourth one of question number 2. Fifth, sixth, and seventh are omitted from your syllabus. You can practice those sums. Fourth one, x square minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Now here x square minus 2x is common in both the brackets. So we'll take m for x square minus 2x. So it becomes here m plus 3 and x square minus 2x is m plus 5 minus 35. Now we'll multiply this bracket with this bracket. So m, m plus 5 plus 3, m plus 5 minus 35 as m into m square plus 5m plus 3m plus 5 3 is 15 minus 35. M square 5m plus 3m becomes 8m. 15 minus 35 becomes minus 20. Okay. Now here we have to factorize. Its sum should be plus 8 and product should be minus 20. We'll write m square as it is. 10 to the 20 and 10 minus 2 8. We'll take 10m and minus 2m minus 20 as it is. Then we'll take common from this m plus 10. Here we'll take minus 2 so that m plus 10 remains. We'll write in this bracket once m plus 10 m minus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to resubstitute the value of x square of m as x square minus 2x. Okay, so we'll put x square minus 2x for m. That is x square minus 2x plus 10 x square minus 2x minus 2. Now here again we have to see that whether we can factorize these brackets or not. We need sum as minus 2 and product as plus 10. So there are no factors for this. So that will write this bracket as it is as our answer. That is factors of this given polynomial is x square minus 2x plus 10 and x square minus 2x minus 2. So for question number 4, just go through this. You can solve those examples as practice. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank